as you saw from my last what I wore video, this is my outfit, which I wore to the event. And as you can tell from the intro, it was jam-packed, filled with people. I think there was like 400 people there. So I did want to show you the little bit of footage that I got from the event, but I did manage to go back a few days later and vlog the Dior pop-up store in Chadstone properly and show you the new collections. So for those that didn't see my what I wore video, I'll link it above. But for those that didn't see it, my whole entire outfit is Dior. The dress and jacket are actually pre-love finds that I found on Vestiaire, brand new. The bag was kindly lent to me by the Dior team. And my shoes and accessories are all Dior. So let's get back to the event. Guys, it is crazy busy, so I'm really sorry it's going to be a lack of footage, but the new collection does have a lot of leopard. So a lot of the reverse toile de jouy, which is there, which is just stunning, and this is not new, I believe. So these love hearts are new. This one too, not sure of this. This collection is new. You know, I've never been into bucket hats, but no, this is going to be too small. Too small.
You say I don't care enough about our money, that it's a lot harder, baby, than it looks. I'ma tell you that I don't wanna stop and think for more than a second. Oh yeah, as long as we got our hearts and souls.
Okay guys, so I'm popping by Chadstone. So since it's quiet, I thought I would show you a proper look at the Dior pop-up. This is just what I'm wearing, very casual, but it's just really cold. So I've just got a Zara skirt, a cozy green cardigan, my low wave mini hammock, and my malachite magic earrings. So, and this rack here, this range has been doing really well. And I can understand why. It's really wearable, it's very cozy. Quite like it. I mean, you can't go wrong with the oblique. This is the t-shirt. That's nice. I actually like this, the little zip-up cardigan, because you've got the monogram on the inside. Leather skirt. But I do think the pieces that, you know, have done the best is the reverse toile de jouy. So you saw when I was in Collins Street that I showed you guys this, and let me just show you actually. So this is, you know how normally the background is white? Well, this time this one's in the navy and this one's in the grey. So this is the D-Light. I do own this in, you know, my floral D-Light, and this is just such a good size. It's just the perfect size. So if you guys have been thinking about adding a D-Light, this is a really good one because you don't need to worry too much about it getting a bit dirty because, yeah, it's the reverse toile de jouy. I really, however, like the grey. How gorgeous is the grey? Let's take a look. So that's the large. I actually don't own a large size. What do you guys think? So nice. I love it. So to show you the difference, this is the normal toile de jouy. Can you see how it's got the cream background, and then this is the reverse. So reverse, normal. And it does come in the small book tote. So I actually don't own this size. but so much more manageable. I like this. So this in wave 2 is actually going to come in the raspberry, which is sort of like this, and in this sort of limey green. So I'm thinking maybe wait for that since my collection is so neutral. And if you want to go matchy-matchy, they've got the walk-in Dior's in both the grey and then also the navy blue. And if you love black and white, this is gorgeous as well. I think this is the Round the World D-Light. So that's what this one looks like. Okay, so let's move over here. This is the saddle, the sandals. So this is the leopard collection. So I think this collection is you either love it or you don't, but honestly leopard is something that won't go out of style. Comes in the D-Light. Okay, I just don't get these dad sandals, they just don't suit me, but each to their own. It also comes in white. It looks fabulous for some people, I just can't pull it off. And then we've got the medium, and this is just the My ABC Dior, so the in-between size between the mini and the medium. So there is one range I don't particularly love, and funnily enough it is the Love Heart range, so that's in the small. Check out this raincoat, very cool, but I think it's like $10,000 or something. And then you've got the bucket hat there. I have to say, the bobby has really grown on me. Definitely grown on me. So this is in the pebbled leather. Previous seasons it only came in the smooth, and this is the large bobby. So yeah, this is the smooth leather, which I actually quite like. It's very luxurious. And this is one of their newer clutches, but that's vintage inspired actually, from the 1970s. But yeah, this is new with the So Black hardware, isn't it? Yes. Yeah, with the pebbled. And the new medium. Yes, I've seen a lot of silver in this collection. That's the reference to the pop art. So here are some of the SLGs. The little mini vanity. The tiny baby vanity. Okay, so this is the Caro in the new size, new sort of medium size, because this is the small. So as you can see, the difference between the small and the medium. I like the medium. I mean, the small is really cute, don't get me wrong, but for me, I think the medium is a better size, and then that's the large. So 3 sizes now. And I was asking the sales associate which has been more popular recently, and between the bobby and the Caro, and she was saying the Caro, but that's because the Caro is newer as well. And then this is just tinsy tiny cute. Look at that. I like the little matching mitza. And this is the vertical mini size book tote. Not this pattern, but you know, a lot of people like that as well. Okay, so as you know, bucket style hats are all the rage. This is the wider brim one with the netting, so definitely more fashion forward. I actually quite like it, but probably not as, you know, you won't get much wear out of it. Love the Toit de Jouy. This one here, the fabric is actually thicker, so that is really nice. I think I have a big head because I'm 58 was like slightly tight, or maybe I'm just wearing it wrong. And this is the oblique, but this is thicker. Can you kind of see? So it's like they folded it over and then sewed it, so it's thicker than this one here, which is sort of, this is like in a more kind of like, not nylon, actually, so let's see what it is. Okay, so it's a mix, but this one here has been the most popular because it's reversible, so you can wear it the oblique or you can wear it the navy side, whereas in this one isn't. It's a lot more structured. And this one's floppy, wider brim, and this one's just pretty fashion forward. So I actually did end up picking up something little from Dior. So this is the next day. As you can see, I'm wearing my Ugg boots. I'm gonna get Miss S to help me. It's only something small, but I thought it would be perfect to show you after the Dior shopping vlog. And I'm gonna get Miss S. Miss S, can you help me with something? She was just doing her homework. Let's do it here. Okay, excuse the mess because Sunshine was doing a project for his uni. Let's maybe close this light, darling. Let's open this. Yeah, he was doing a project for his uni. He's actually studying teaching, so he's going to be a primary school teacher. I'm so proud of him. But anyway, this is what I got from Dior. As you saw from the footage, you saw a bit of the event footage, and I managed to go back a few days later to properly vlog the pop-up store. So let's get Mrs. to help me unbox this.
Okay.
Okay.
You have to untie this. Oh, it's so nice.
Yep. She's still got her school uniform on. I see all these texture marks.
Yeah.
There's another bag in there. Yep. So I loved so many things from the new autumn-winter collection, but honestly, I am just thinking about it. But these things I definitely did want, and I have mentioned them before. So from the shape of the box, you probably already know what it is, but you can just unwrap it. Yep, you can unwrap it, darling. And obviously, you know they are mitzes. Over here, yep, can I wrap the other one? So you would have seen from the event vlog that although Dior did lend me that gorgeous gradient red Lady Dior, I did actually purchase the reverse Toit de Joie mitza for myself. I actually purchased a pair. I love this grey, isn't it stunning? So on one side it's got Toit de Joie and the other side it's got Christian Dior. And so this is the other pair, as you can see here. So the one that I wore that night was actually mine, but I needed to go pick up its little friend because I wanted a pair. And then did you want to open this one up?
Sure. So soft.
Yeah, it's really soft. It's 100% silk. So this is the design. Yeah, maybe the other way, darling. We'll do it here. And this is the other one that I picked up. So if this looks familiar, that's because I have one of these on my vintage lace Lady Dior, which is here, as you can see. So I needed one for the other hand. So I love this piece so much, but definitely this lighting is seeing the yellowing behind it, but I think that can be easily fixed, and I still think it was really worth, you know, the $610 that I paid. But this one here is actually for my medium Lady Dior, which I'll get Miss S to grab. Yep. So it's actually for this. I think it will go perfectly. I mean, just look at that. What do you think of that, darling?
Yes, that looks really nice.
Yes, that would look beautiful. So I wanted 2 mitzes for it, and for those of you asking, yes, I will absolutely show you how to do the perfect bow on both the Lady Dior and Hermes bags. That is coming up really soon. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the Dior shopping vlog. You guys are really enjoying seeing all the new things, so where possible, of course, I will do that. If there's any other brands you would really like to see a shopping vlog from, let me know, comment down below. But for now, guys, have a wonderful day or night. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a
Thumbs up.
and I'll catch you soon in my next video. Bye.